Okay then guys.
Hi Plonkers, Dad Scott's Lass here, and today I'm just giving you a wee quick update on how my Dukan Diet's going. Now I've been on the Dukan Diet for 35 days now, and I've lost a total of 8.1 kilograms, which is just under 18 pounds. I'm pretty impressed because I gave myself like 6 months to lose my 15 kilos, so I said like by June, when my birthday is, when I'm celebrating my 40th this year, I wanted to give myself till then to lose the weight. So I'm pretty chuffed that I've gotten so far so quickly. Still got another 6 or 7 to go, and hopefully by then I'll be able to sort of bare my body in the pool and not be embarrassed about being chunky and overweight. But at the moment I'm pretty happy about how it's going. I really do miss my fruit though. Geez, you know, I was a big fruit eater before, so the lack of fruit is getting to me a little bit. I used to drink a lot of fruit juice and eat a lot of apples and pineapple, and of course watermelon is in season at the moment, so you know, I miss not being able to have all of that, but I'm hanging in there. I've just got another 6 or 7 to go, and then I can start introducing fruit, so I'm gonna just keep going at it. What else can I tell you? You know, I just wanted to motivate all the other Dukan dieters out there, because you know what, it's not fucking easy. It's not easy limiting your food. It's not easy not being able to have those little tidbits everybody puts out at parties. And you know, in those 35 days that I've done the Dukan Diet, I've only really sort of fell off the wagon twice. And it wasn't really falling off the wagon as such. I didn't eat anything that was bad, but it was just like having alcohol instead of food, which I know is not bad, but you know, a girl's got to get her wine on every now and then, and it's only been 2 days out of the 34 that I've had wine, so I'm really not going to beat myself up about it. You know, we've got to have a little treat every now and then. So Dukan dieters out there, don't give up. You know the program works. Stick to it, and if you fall off the wagon one day, just get back on the next day and, you know, forget about it. Just carry on from then on. You know, we're not perfect, we're all human, and you know, don't give up. Just think of the end result. Think of what you want to achieve, and it will pan out in the end. If you stick to it, the diet works, you know. It's, and you feel full, you know. I mean, it's not like you're starving yourself. You're eating a lot of food. It's just a lot of the right foods instead of all of the wrong foods that we like. You can do it. Even if you've only been on the diet for 5 days or 10 days, you know it works because you've probably already lost. So don't give up. You can do it. It is possible. Thanks for watching. Bye.